A bomb scare targeting India's richest man. A suspended encounter specialist arrested for murdering a businessman. A sea-facing five-star hotel in the poshest area of Mumbai. Bags full of cash and a mystery woman. Every new day begins with a new twist in the high-profile Ambani bomb scare case. Twists enough to be turned into a blockbuster film or a binge-worthy series. The National Investigation Agency is grilling former encounter specialist Sachin Vaze, but the cop refuses to blink, leaving some glaring questions. Who is the mystery woman spotted at the five-star hotel? Why was the woman carrying a machine meant for counting notes? What's the secret of 5 black bags being carried to the hotel? Why was the hotel room booked for a period of 100 days? Why did Sachin Vaze fake his identity to stay in room number 1964? Sources in the NIA have told India Today that Sachin Vaze is playing mind games with the interrogators. This despite the fact that probe agency has managed to recover Vaze's fake Aadhaar card used to check in at the hotel.
Why was Sachin Vaze staying in a five-star hotel in Mumbai from 16th to 20th February, close to the incident of the gelatin sticks found outside Antilla? CCTV footage of this hotel has been seized by NIA. In the CCTV footage, Sachin Vaze is seen. There is a woman for whom the NIA is looking for. She has a cash counting machine in her hand. There were 2 cash counting machines which were seized earlier from a Mercedes car which was used by Sachin Vaze. So was that the same machine? And why this was happening? Was there a cash dealing happening? There are also news of a jeweler who was under investigation by Mumbai police booking these rooms for 100 days for Sachin Vaze.
To simplify the case, we tell you the inside details that uncover the Sachin Vaze, the Trident Hotel's room number 1964 link. Days before the gelatin-laden Scorpio was found near Antilla, Vaze was spotted with the woman at the 5-star hotel Trident on February 16th. CCTV footage has found that the woman wearing a mask had entered the hotel with the machine used to count currency notes. The NIA is going through at least 35 cameras across the hotel to verify her identity. Although Vaze has refused to identify the woman, the sleuths have stumbled upon clinching evidence to nail the disgraced cop. So the question arises, was Sachin Vaze handling a crucial case related to dark deals in the Maximum City? Was several women being grilled in connection with the case? Was the woman spotted with Vaze linked to that case? But why is the identity of this mystery woman so important? It is believed that the woman knows the secret behind the 5 black bags found from Vaze's possession. The concerned woman will answer the mystery around the counting machine. The CCTV footage shows that the mystery woman knew Vaze very well. She was spotted with him in the cop's car and then inside the hotel on